density from the sun. See what that looks like? Watch. Boom, we took a hit from the sun side. Didn't look anything like what was going on yesterday, does it? All the backfilling, which is going on until boom, we get hit by the fucking sun and it squeezes all this shit out. See that? But we're still getting backwind and tornadic activity well before this happened. Boom, and it thins it out. See how that happens? That is totally what we were not watching yesterday. The exact opposite was happening, wasn't it? Big difference. Watch, where'd the energy come from? Did it hit us in the bow shock? Fuck no, it didn't. Did it? It blew out the bow shock and thinned her. It didn't come from the fucking sun. Not all day yesterday. All this IMF straightery right here. And fuckery behind. Now let's look at today one more time. Now, over the last month, we've seen several CMEs from our sun and 4 from Ra. Every time they simultaneously pop, Ra hits us first. And more first every time it happens. In other words, he's getting closer. He's closer than our sun. Yeah. The same action, bam, bam. He's got to be closer than our sun. Well, with these planets up here in our ass, it really makes sense, doesn't it? Yeah. So this is what it looks like when you get hit with density from the front. It doesn't look anything like when you get hit with density from the back, like what is exactly what is going on here until boom, 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 boom. See that? Ta-da. End of fucking conversation. Thank you. Have a nice day.